As Ra rises above the horizon, the Nile awakens. This river, the heart of Egypt, carries the promise of life and renewal with every ripple. I step onto my humble reed boat, feeling the ancient wood beneath my fingers. A vessel guided by the will of the gods. Fishermen greet the day, their voices echoing across the calm. Each cast of their net is a prayer for abundance. The land along the Nile thrives under Ra's gaze. Here, the farmers coax life from the earth, honoring the balance between man and nature. There it stands, the eternal pyramid, rising like a stairway to the sky. A testament to human devotion and divine ambition. Egyptians' journey by water ends, but a deeper journey now begins into the very soul of Kemet. Ak stone carries the weight of prayers. Each step echoes through time. This place is alive with sacred breath. These craftsmen speak to eternity through their hands, carving words and forms that will outlast empires. The scent of myrrh rises to the heavens, a bridge between mortal and divine. Beyond the pyramid lies the heartbeat of daily life. The market, where colors, sounds, and scents dance together. Spices here are not just flavor, but fragments of the gods' gifts, bringing warmth and magic to every meal. Gold and lapis hold stories of protection and rebirth. Amulets whispering promises of safe passage beyond this life. Their laughter carries the joy of tomorrow, echoing through sunlit corridors of time. Music weaves through this place like a river of light, binding hearts in silent unity. Cool water, the simplest blessing. A taste of life's purest gift amidst the desert's relentless embrace. The temple stands as a meeting place of earth and sky. Here, prayers transform into offerings, and silence becomes song. Each offering speaks of gratitude and devotion, a humble attempt to touch the infinite, the lotus, rising pure from muddy waters, reminds us of the soul's eternal journey toward the light. As the sun bows beyond the dunes, the pyramid stands at the beacon of endless time, its shadow stretching across countless lives. Beneath these ancient stars, I feel the pulse of Kemet, a heartbeat that echoes forever, whispering that we are all part of something eternal. Beyond the known pyramids lie valleys few dare to cross, where sunrise paints the sands with ancient fire and hidden temple through narrow passages echoing with forgotten prayers. The walls whisper secrets in the language of gods and spirits. Beneath the earth, hidden sanctuaries await, their gates watched by silent giants, guardians of mysteries beyond the stars. Here, beneath painted skies, Nut embraces the souls that wander the night. Every flickering lamp, a star in her eternal body. The sacred pool mirrors not only the statues above, but the hidden depths within us all. A place where the spirit drifts free like the lotus bloom. In these halls, life prepares for its greatest voyage. Into Duat, where trials await, and the soul seeks the feather of Ma'at. Through sacred chants and fragrant smoke, the soul is guided safely beyond the horizon of mortality, into the eternal embrace of Osiris. Hidden gardens below the sands bloom with otherworldly light, each petal a silent hymn to the hidden magic of rebirth. Among these stars, ancient astronomers read the language of fate. Each constellation a verse in the great cosmic hymn of Ra. As dawn returns, the journey stretches ever forward. Beyond each dune lies another secret, another chance to touch eternity. The journey of each stone begins at the quarries, where hammer and chisel dance in the early light, echoing across the silent cliffs. Precision guides each hand. A single mistake could compromise a lifetime's monument to the gods. Once freed from the earth, these stones float like silent beasts down the Nile, guided by the rhythm of ancient songs. To move the giants, water and sand become allies, turning desert pathways into flowing rivers of stone. Egyptians, ramps, ascend to the heavens, each pull of the rope a step closer to eternity. The overseer stands as conductor of a living symphony, each gesture orchestrating tons of stone into cosmic harmony. Craftsmanship refines the raw might of stone into sacred geometry, lines drawn not just on earth, but upon the soul. Logs and oil transform immovable giants into dancing dancers of wood and rock, sliding forward under the sun's watchful eye. Lines guide hands, and prayers guide hearts. Each mark a map to the stars and the afterlife beyond. Scaffolds rise like spiderwebs around a divine cocoon, as mortar binds dreams into an immortal monument. Casing stones, polished to catch the sun, transform the pyramid into a beacon. A stairway gleaming to the afterlife. Even titans pause to sip the Nile's gift. A moment of human warmth beneath the eternal sun. Each stone receives a breath of spirit, consecrated with smoke and chant. No part of the pyramid remains without soul. Within the stone labyrinth, hidden passages echo with whispers of eternity. Secret routes for the pharaoh's soul to travel freely. Granite blocks from distant Aswan arrive as dark hearts of the pyramid, dragged over miles to beat forever beneath its white skin. Under the burning sky, every stone becomes a prayer. Sweat, sacrifice, and faith fused into shining layers. When the sun sleeps, the stars guide restless hands, for the gods demand progress even beneath moonlit silence. The divine ruler arrives, a living horse, to watch his legacy ascend, his gaze turning stone into immortality. At dawn, the golden pyramidion crowns the giant, completing the ladder to the heavens, a radiant birth of eternity. Now the pyramid stands, a mountain of devotion and cosmic precision. A monument not only to a king, but to humanity's boundless spirit. As Ra descends beyond the western hills, the Great Pyramid stands in silent prayer, a golden testament to faith, sacrifice, and dreams rising from the desert sands. Under an ocean of stars, chants weave through the night air. The spirit of the pharaoh begins his journey among the constellations. Guided by cosmic winds through centuries, the Great Pyramid whispers its secrets to the wind. A monument not just of stone, but of humanity's eternal quest to touch the sky.
If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of ancient Egypt,
please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating stories from the sands of time. See you in the next adventure on Mr. Thunder Creator YouTube channel.